So this video is really just a showcase of some examples that we've built showing the rapid application development technology for LastMile. In the next video, we'll actually show an example of building the application itself. So this video really just shows you examples that we've already constructed. First things first, all of the technology in here is built on top of an object graph technology for config node. If you go to our website, you'll see the documentation and product descriptions. This is your application within LastMile. It's really an object model of an application, and the platform takes that object model and basically spits out an actual application. So if you see a quick preview of what this application looks like, there's not much here. This particular example is really just a test bed of all the different Beautify components. If you're familiar with Beautify, you will be familiar with all of these components. They maintain the names. You can scroll through here. Like I said, there's not much to it. If we click this, there's no action behind this. There is one button that has an action. If I click that, it shows a pop-up. I click show me, it does do that. So which means it's tied to a dialog in here, which is this. Yeah. Or we could even, change the name of that show me button. Once it finishes loading, I can click on the rename and say show me more, and it'll update and actually automatically update here. So you get to see the difference there, right there. Your standard controls, time pickers, all the different UI controls within Beautify are loaded in here. There's not much to it at all. There's no logic behind any of this. In the next example, I'll show you things that look more like applications. But for this one, this gives you a very high level view of what an application looks like. This is a preview screen, but you could just as well open this up independent of this previous screen. So this actually shows the application as you would expect it to be shown. So this is your introduction to what we have as our rapid application development technology. It's really, really powerful. I don't want to get too much into all the things that are built into it, but all of this stuff it's powered by schemas, and you can design your own RAD kit. The RAD kit that we've currently designed is for Vue and Beautify as the UI framework, but we plan on adding more frameworks. There are a bunch of Vue-based frameworks out there, so we plan on creating more RAD kits, that is rapid application development kits for those frameworks. But the technology itself is really, really powerful. Once you get to see examples of what we can do with it, I think people are going to be very excited about this. So in the next video, we'll get into some more examples. Thank you.